Struggling to meditate every day. You have goals, you have dreams, you want to achieve something in your life. The common problem in the world is everyone wants to do meditate, but due to lack of motivation, self-discipline, and due to lack of time management, they often fail to do meditate every day in their life. You have the idea that to wake up early in the morning and do meditate, but at the same time you have so many thoughts starts coming up and you forget to do meditate. Now you have the question that, Priya, what are the benefits of doing meditation every day? And let me answer you this way, by doing meditation every day, you can see yourself a new version, like where you will see more confidence in your life, more clarity on your decisions. You will be able to see what exact areas you have to do, what are the actions you exactly need to take. So that what will happen, you will be able to be more disciplined in your life. So what else do you want from the life, right? All these things you are getting from the meditation. So why not to do everyday meditation? Today I am going to give 4 tips so that you will be able to establish a daily routine to do meditation in your life, and you will be able to overcome your lack of motivation and this discipline issues from your life. Namo Himalaya. I am Priya, your mindset transformation and manifestation coach. As I already told, today we are going to discuss about 4 tips that is going to helpful how to bring more self-motivation from and what are your manifestation. If you have any questions related to spirituality, law of attraction and manifestation, please drop your question on our comment box. And also if you have any kind of challenge on your manifestation, if you want to share, then also you can share in our comment box. So first tip is you need to start doing a morning routine. Just bring your notepad or diary or pen and start noting down what exactly time you are normally waking up or every day in your life. So what you need to do is, if you are waking up like 6 o'clock or 7 o'clock morning, so make sure that you are waking up 30 minutes at least before the time, normally waking up time. Example, normally I wake up by 6:30. So what I need to do is I'll write down a time 30 minutes exactly before the time. So I will wake up, like I will put my time like 5:30 or 6 o'clock morning. So what will happen means, once you will adjust yourself 30 minutes before the waking up time, you already have this extra time to do meditation. Just give little more prioritize this 30 minutes and you will see. I'm not telling that you just go and do like 30 minutes meditation. Even if you are doing 10 minutes meditation, that is good enough. But why I am telling about 30 minutes early waking up? Because once you wake up early in the morning, just you are cuddling yourself and just soothe yourself, that you are relaxing yourself and wash your face or brush your teeth. Then you come to your place where you are feeling like comfortable and start doing meditation. You will see a beautiful time will start from every morning. So the second tip is it's about the sleeping time. So when you are going to sleep every day, like night time, like 9 p.m. or 10 p.m., whatever you are going to sleep, make yourself fix like you are going to bed 30 minutes earlier before you used to go. So example, you are going by 10 o'clock every day in the night and you fix your time like 9:30 p.m. So you have already 30 minutes prior to your sleeping time. You are going to bed, no matter what you are doing. You may try to do meditate, you may try to relax yourself, you may try to cuddle yourself, no matter what you are doing. But the 30 minutes will try to fix your mindset like you are not sleeping less than before, because you are waking up early in the morning, right? 30 minutes. So that will be adjusted to this time. and your mind will not recognize this lackingness. So you will feel the same time you are just giving yourself enough time, right? As I already told, like you have to journal, like you have to put your timings, like morning wake up early 30 minutes before, and the sleeping time also you give yourself extra 30 minutes, like how you can actually compensate your timings. The third tip is avoid procrastination. You probably have the question like, what is Priya, procrastination? Yeah, procrastination means I'm talking about to not avoid the timings. Like normally what happens, people wake up early in the morning when they hear alarms, but also some people are there like they just switch up the alarm, again they go to bed and sleep furthermore 1 hour or 2 hours. So in this case what happens, you have already crossed the timings and you don't have more time to do meditation, because once you have crossed the time, you will wake up after 1 hour or 2 hours, you will be so much hurry to your work to get ready for work or to do some other thing, so you will not feel like doing meditation, right? So this is how what happens, the procrastination brings a lot of lacking of self-motivation. So it's important, especially at the initial stages, if you are willing to change your life and start doing meditation every day, it's very important to not stop the alarm. The last tip is my favorite one. I believe that it is going to be very, very helpful for you. It's about journaling, and you probably have the question like how to journal. Priya, can you help us? Yeah, let me explain you this way. Like journaling is about like, see, you are going to work sector, right? Every day so many good things happen and also something bad thing also happen. So what happens if you are not doing meditation, always what happens, our mind is like going to be trapped with so many of negative incidents, negativity, so many of negative talks. So what will happen is you will feel like so much of worried or anxiety, stressful. So these are not going to helpful for a growth mindset, right? If you really want to grow yourself in a very productive way and a very positive way, or if you really want to do meditate every day, then you must be very sure that you are journaling. By journaling, what will happen, you will start writing down about what are the good outcomes, good things are happening every day after you are doing meditation, especially at your work sector, or especially the day activities, whatever you are doing, what are the beautiful things or wonderful things are happening, what are the wonderful people are coming into your life. So you just start writing down your wonderful experiences, then you will be able to see, like you will be more motivated to do everyday meditation, because you know that those good things are happening because you are so much of focused, or you have done meditation at the morning and you have already the clarity, you are doing right actions also, as a result you are getting also good outcomes. So if you start writing down every day in your life, like journaling about these outcomes, slowly your mind will be equipped in such a way that even though you don't want to do meditate, you will be unconsciously going to do meditate. That's what happens. Even it happened in my life. At some point of my life, even I was procrastinated, but I started doing journaling. So my mind was telling me that these are very, very helpful for you, Priya, you must do it. Even though I didn't have time, I was feeling like I have to do meditation. So this is so nice to see a lot of changes in our life. Even a lot of changes will appear in your life if you do daily meditate actually, and especially you will become more productive, more confident in speaking. You will be able to see like how to take right decision in your goals, and it will be very, very beneficial for the students and the employees, especially who wants to grow their life in a better way. So yeah, these are the tips I wanted to reveal in this video. And if you feel like this video has been informative for you, so make sure that you hit the like button and subscribe our channel. And also I would like to let you know one more thing, that if you also want to share your experience through your meditation, you can also share in our comment box, and we are happy to read about your experiences. Until our next video, Namo Himalaya.